The COVID-19 pandemic might be long gone, yet even without the pandemic, your home could still be harboring more harmful pollutants than the outside world. These pollutants, called volatile organic compounds, can emanate from various sources like your carpets, perfumes, and household upholstery. In today's video, we'll tackle this issue head-on and guide you in creating a clean and invigorating atmosphere by harnessing the power of plants. Are plants genuinely beneficial to our health? Can they uplift our mood? And do they really purify the air we breathe? Join us as we answer your questions about the top plants that you should consider incorporating into your home. If you've struggled to keep your plants alive in the past, don't worry. This first plant on our list is super easy to grow. Number 13, the spider plant. The spider plant is incredibly easy to keep and even find, making it a great choice for even the most notorious plant killers. It not only boasts a cool and unique appearance, but it also thrives in bright, indirect sunlight. If you have pets at home, you'll be happy to hear that the spider plant is non-toxic and quite resilient. Simply water it a few times a week and you're good to go. According to a study conducted by NASA on spider plants, they are fantastic at removing formaldehyde from the air because they contain a high concentration of a chemical called formaldehyde dehydrogenase, which breaks down formaldehyde into harmless byproducts. Also, spider plants are able to absorb formaldehyde through their leaves and roots, making them an effective air purifier. However, this study was conducted under highly controlled conditions, so the plant's effectiveness may vary in real-world environments. Nevertheless, keeping a spider plant close to your workspace can't hurt to maximize its cleansing and purifying benefits. On top of tackling formaldehyde, this incredible plant is also said to eliminate carbon monoxide and xylene. The next plant on our list has gained a reputation for its exceptional air purifying qualities. Number 12, bamboo plant or butterfly palm. The bamboo plant is incredibly tough and resilient, making it the perfect choice for beginners. It works diligently to filter out harmful substances like benzene and formaldehyde from the air, ensuring you have a fresh and breathable environment. And here's a bonus. It prefers moist soil and thrives when placed in an area with good airflow. This means it not only purifies the air, but also acts as a natural humidifier, making it especially beneficial during dry winter months. When it comes to lighting, the bamboo plant prefers bright, indirect sunlight, so find a cozy spot for it where it can bask in the glow without being exposed to direct sunlight. Regular pruning is necessary as it grows quickly, but don't worry, it's a simple task. And the best part? The bamboo plant is safe for pets as it is non-toxic. The next indoor plant on our list is an absolute favorite among interior designers for its stunning green, glossy leaves and overall aesthetic appeal. Number 11, the Ficus lyrata. The Ficus lyrata offers numerous health benefits as well. It acts as a natural humidifier, helping to control the humidity levels in your space. Also, this beauty works as a dust trapper, keeping your environment cleaner. As if that wasn't impressive enough, it also functions as an air purifier, filtering out impurities and potentially reducing your chances of catching the flu, sore throat, cold, or cough. Now let's talk maintenance. The Ficus lyrata thrives in indirect sunlight, so find a cozy spot for it. And when it comes to watering, aim for 2 to 3 times per week to keep it happy and healthy. Before we move on to the next fascinating plant, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss any updates from us. Now let's turn our attention to a beloved indoor plant that has gained tremendous popularity. Number 10 is pothos. What makes pothos so well liked? Well, for starters, they are incredibly sturdy and low maintenance. You won't need to fuss over them with constant soil checks or worry about providing direct sunlight. Pothos are quite content to grow and thrive without demanding much attention from you. But the real magic of pothos is that they are natural air purifiers. These remarkable plants can remove pollutants like formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, xylene, and benzene from the air, effectively purifying the environment from potentially harmful toxins. Just imagine having a living, breathing filter right in your home. Pothos plants can also contribute to increased humidity levels. That means they have the power to add moisture to the air, creating an environment that is less conducive to certain viral infections, like influenza. So not only do they enhance the aesthetic appeal of your space, but they also offer potential health benefits. Next up is a plant in the creepy crawlies territory. Number 9 is snake plant.
What?
We're still talking about plants here.
Oh, I see it now.
The snake plant is yet another low-maintenance gem that you'll love. It's a breeze to take care of because it prefers to be on the driver's side, so you won't need to water it every day. It can also tolerate a very wide range of light levels, so it should be perfectly content in most rooms. Just make sure it receives some sunlight and you're good to go. Now let's talk about the impressive qualities of the snake plant. In addition to its cool and unique appearance, it's also known to release oxygen into the air. As if that weren't enough, this fantastic plant is said to be a champion in removing harmful chemicals such as formaldehyde, xylene, benzene, toluene, and trichloroethylene. It's like having a natural air purifier right in your home. The next plant on our list is a good luck plant. Number 8, we have the jade plant. This plant is said to bring wealth and prosperity, perhaps due to its vibrant, succulent leaves that resemble jade stones or coins. While we can't guarantee the wealth aspect, one thing we know for sure is that the jade plant is a fantastic addition to any home. Not only does it add a touch of beauty with its unique leaf shapes, but it also serves some practical purposes. For instance, the jade plant is known to increase humidity in the air and also purify it, creating a more comfortable environment. Even at night, it absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms. What's truly remarkable about the jade plant is its longevity. With proper care and protection, these resilient plants can live up to an impressive 70 years. Just imagine the stories and memories you can share over the years. Next up is a plant that, according to NASA's Clean Air Study, is a top contender when it comes to cleansing airborne toxins. Number 7, ficus, or the weeping fig. Yup, ficus does an excellent job in cleansing airborne toxins like xylene, toluene, and formaldehyde. These toxins can accumulate from carpet and furniture cleaners or stain removers. However, it's important to note that the weeping fig is toxic to cats and dogs, so keep them away from this plant. On the bright side, it is relatively easy to care for. Just ensure it's placed away from direct sunlight and drafty areas, and allow the soil to dry out before watering again. This plant, however, can grow quite large, which can be a good thing depending on your living situation. This next plant is very versatile and very common too. Number 6, aloe vera. One of the easiest plants to care for and also one of the most giving plants you can ever own is aloe vera. This green plant is renowned for its soothing gel, which provides instant relief for burns and aids in wound healing. It's a natural remedy for various skin conditions such as eczema, psoriasis, insect bites, and blisters. Having an aloe vera plant in your kitchen is a fantastic idea, as you can simply break off one of the spikes and squeeze out the clear gel for quick relief. On top of its medicinal properties, aloe vera can help clear the air of toxins like benzene and formaldehyde, commonly found in detergents and floor finishes. However, be careful, as aloe vera is toxic to pets. Believe it or not, this next plant is incredibly easy to care for and can be kept in the bathroom. Number 5, the delightful Heterohelix. Heterohelix, also called English ivy, thrives in bathroom environments. And here's a fun fact. If you enjoy dyeing your hair at home, English ivy is your friend. It has the remarkable ability to reduce levels of trichloroethylene, formaldehyde, xylene, ammonia, and benzene, which are often found in personal care products. So it also helps purify the air. English ivy is also known for its mold-fighting properties. So if you are worried about mold in your bathroom, this plant can be a great ally in keeping the environment clean. Just remember, it's toxic to cats and dogs, so if you have furry friends, keep the plant out of their reach. It is quite adaptable and can handle lower levels of light, so you only need to give it a good amount of water. If you want to add a vibrant splash of inspiring hues to your kitchen or living space, this next plant is an excellent choice. Number 4, chrysanthemum or mums. They come in different colors ranging from yellow to white and even pink. However, if you have furry friends at home, be cautious, as mums are toxic to both cats and dogs. When caring for them indoors, ensure the soil remains damp and they receive adequate sunlight. And here's a tip: when the weather warms up, you can even plant them outside for a change of scenery. They're reputed to effectively remove common toxins like formaldehyde, xylene, ammonia, and benzene. However, it's worth noting that their air purifying abilities are most active during the bloom period, which typically lasts around 6 weeks. This plant exudes calming elegance. The mere thought of them brings a sense of relaxation. Number 3, peace lily. Peace lilies are known for their ability to thrive in low-light conditions and their elegant and striking white flowers. But what sets them apart is their high transpiration rate. When you water a peace lily, the water gradually evaporates over time, replenishing the moisture in the room. This not only helps reduce dust, but can also soothe any irritants to your eyes, nose, and mouth. One study even showed that plants like the peace lily can reduce dust by up to 18%. How cool is that? Keeping a peace lily happy requires a little more effort, but it is very rewarding. Be sure to provide it with morning sunlight only and mist the leaves to maintain the right level of humidity. Keeping the soil consistently damp is also essential for its well-being. However, like some of our previous plants, the peace lily is toxic to pets, so take necessary precautions if you have furry companions. If you're someone who craves a little uniqueness, this plant is perfect for you. Number 2, Dracaenas. The best part, you have over 40 different types of Dracaenas, and each one has its unique charm. Dracaenas are not only visually appealing, but also known for their ability to eliminate harmful toxins like trichloroethylene. You might find this toxin lurking in household paint strippers, varnish removers, and even adhesives. So having a Dracaena around can contribute to a healthier indoor environment. However, we must issue a friendly warning to pet owners. Dracaenas are toxic to our four-legged friends. When it comes to sunlight, Dracaenas prefer a medium amount, so find a room that receives a few solid hours of sunshine. Oh, and here's something to consider. These plants can grow quite tall, ranging from 8 to 10 feet. Make sure you have enough space. Finally, number 1 is none other than the fascinating ZZ plant, scientifically known as Zamioculcas zamifolia. This low-maintenance indoor plant is a must-have for anyone looking for a hassle-free green companion. One of the perks of having a ZZ plant in your home is its unique medicinal properties. It contains antioxidants like triterpenoids and polyphenolic compounds, which can help soothe earaches. How amazing is that? According to the journal Hort Technology, ZZ plants are highly resistant to insects, pests, and other plant diseases. This incredible quality makes them an ideal choice for an indoor plant, providing you with a fuss-free and thriving green companion. The best part about the ZZ plant, it doesn't require frequent watering, making it a great choice for those who always forget to water their plants from time to time. Now that you know which plants to look out for, here are some of the health benefits you'll enjoy. Once you've added some plants to your home, get ready for an array of health benefits. We've mentioned earlier in the video how houseplants can work wonders by trapping harmful toxins and releasing them as less harmful byproducts. But that's not all they do. Let's dive deeper into the perks. Did you know that houseplants can remove up to 10% of carbon dioxide from the air within your home? It's like having your very own natural air purifier working its magic to create a cleaner and fresher environment for you to breathe in. But the benefits don't stop there. Plants have the incredible ability to boost your mood. Yes, you heard it right. They're like little mood-boosting superheroes. Research suggests that simply touching soft or smooth plants can help you feel calmer. It's almost as if their gentle presence has a soothing effect on our souls. And here's an interesting twist. Caring for plants can teach us about empathy. By nurturing a plant and tending to its needs, we increase our capacity to understand and care for the feelings of others. It's a beautiful lesson in compassion. And did you know that plants with flowers have an extra special power? Just by looking at them, flowers can make you feel happier almost instantly. Talk about nature's little mood-enhancing remedy. Plus, there's evidence to suggest that plants and flowers can help improve memory function, so they are visually appealing and also contribute to keeping your brain sharp and focused. Now let's talk about the holistic therapy aspect. Some people find solace and healing in gardens, whether it's the act of gardening itself or simply strolling through a serene green space. Ever experienced the calming effect of walking through a beautiful public garden? It's truly a therapeutic experience. Studies have shown that horticultural therapy can have positive effects on individuals struggling with conditions such as schizophrenia, depression, dementia, and even late-stage cancer. It's truly remarkable how the power of plants can touch our lives on a deeper level. Of course, you have to be cautious of any allergies you may have. Certain plants, especially those with flowers, can trigger allergic reactions. So do some findings before making a choice. Are you ready to bring more plants into your home? Let us know in the comments below and tell us your favorite plant from the list. We're always excited to hear from you. Why not embrace the incredible world of indoor greenery? Your mood, relationships, and productivity might just thank you for it. Thanks for being so patient up to this point. It's greatly appreciated. Subscribe and enable alerts to avoid missing out on future videos from us and much more. Check out this video to learn more about how to care for your body, and we'll see you in the following video. Stay safe.